Good morning, everyone. In last class, we had discussed various types of functions and problem based on the functions. Today, we discuss composition of functions. Composition of functions means mixing of two functions. See, suppose we have two functions f and g. F is defined from a to b and g is defined from b to c. So that for all x belongs to a, there exists a unique element y belongs to b. For all x belongs to a, f is defined in the figure. F function is defined from a to b and g function is defined from b to c. So for all x belongs to a, there is a unique element y belongs to b under function f. So it is y is also written as fx. And for all y belongs to b, there is a unique element z belongs to c. Since this is under function g, therefore z is equal to gy. And we already have y equal to fx, therefore we take y equal to fx. So finally z become gfx. The same thing is written here. Let f a to b and g b to c be two functions so that for all x belongs to a, there exists, this is a sign of there exists a unique element y belongs to b under the function f, and for all y belongs to b, there exists a unique element z belongs to c under the function g. So in conclusion of this above statement, it can be said for all x belongs to a, there exists a unique element z belongs to c. That is, for z belongs to c means what? Z is gy. So gy belongs to c. And what is gy? Gy is gfx. So gfx belongs to c as we have shown here. Under the function gof, so gfx belongs to c. This is under the function gof is said to be composition of functions gof from a to c, and it is defined by gofx is equal to gfx. In short, we can say two functions are there, f and g, f defined from a to b, g defined from b to c. So for all x belongs to a, there exists a unique element y belongs to b, and for y belongs to b, there exists a unique element z belongs to c. So after mixing these two, this will be a composite function from a to c under the function gof. This represent gof function, sign for gof function. So for all x belongs to a, there exists a unique element z belongs to c under function gof. And z is gy and y is fx, so gfx. This is called composition of function. That is composite function gof. So therefore gof x equal to gfx. Now one thing, range of the function f is a subset of b. range of f function. The range of this function is set under the set is the subset of B, and B is domain of G function. So therefore domain G equal to B. So the conclusion of these two, can it be written as range of f function is subset of domain of G function. This is the conclusion of these two, and this is the condition to exist GOF function. Hence the composition of function composite function GOF is defined from A to C by, here it is written, composite function GOF is defined from A to C by the rule GOFX equal to GFX. Similarly, range G is subset of domain F. This will be the condition to exist FOG function. So composite functions are expressed in two ways, GOF and FOG, and these are the condition. This is the condition for GOF and this is the condition for FOG. Now we discuss some problem based on this composite function.